Hey guys, it's SBS Cuber, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and lubricate a Rubik's Brand. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so before the video starts, if we could get a like goal of 6 likes, that would be amazing. And yeah, let's get to the video. So, here's a Rubik's Brand. Let me just take it out of the box real quick. I don't think we're going to be needing this box. Oh, it's got a stand. I guess I'll use that later or something. Okay, so here's the cube. It turns okay. So what you're going to need for this, you're going to need some water. So I got some water in here. You're going to need a cloth of some sort to dry off the pieces. You're going to need your cube, and you're going to need a screwdriver. Let me get it real quick.
Screwdriver too.
Okay, so step 1 is to put it at 45 degrees. Put your cube at 45 degrees and stick the screwdriver in there and try and pop out a piece, which is kind of hard because it's a Rubik's Brand. Oh my gosh, I'm failing. I'm just gonna do this real quick. Okay, so there we go. So I got the piece popped. So just put all your pieces inside of the water so that they could, you're gonna want to put them in the water for about 15 minutes. Let me just try and disassemble this cube. It's like close to impossible to disassemble. There we go. This is very inefficient. Oh yeah, guys. Also, you're gonna need a. While you wait for this, you should go get your Vaseline too. And you also want to get the core wet too, so I'll just keep disassembling this. Put all these pieces in the water. I'm going to make that sit for 15 minutes. I'll just rinse this thing off inside my sink. So yeah, let's wait 15 minutes. Okay, so guys, just for the sake of this video, I decided to just let them sit for 5 minutes. You can let them sit for longer. The longer you let them sit for, the better your cube will get. But if you make it sit for longer than 15 minutes, then that'll be worse. So I'm just gonna go drain these pieces real quick, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and I just finished getting them out of the water. Gonna need that core. So So then you're just gonna want to dump out all your pieces, like I have done right here. Then just dry them off separately, I guess, because why not?
So, or you can just dry them off like this. So I'm just gonna throw these off. A couple they're all falling, okay? Now my table's gonna be wet. Oh my gosh. All wet. Shoot, they're getting everywhere. Guys, I'm really failing, so yeah. Oh my gosh.
I'm really failing at drying these things off, but I guess that's good enough, you know. You don't need to dry them off extremely good. So there we go, they're all dried off, I guess. So then now you're going to want to start assembling the cube again, so that it can turn, it will be turning like excellent, even better than it was before. So you see these little marks, that's just from lubrication. If you let it sit longer, then those won't be there. So now I'm going to start getting this lube out. You see it's just Vaseline, petroleum jelly, whatever you call it. I call it Vaseline. So now you're going to want to start assembling it. So you got to look for your pieces. So
yeah, so this is kind of a tutorial on how to assemble it. So you want to start with the edges, the white edges, and the white. It doesn't matter what sort, but you just want to start with the edges on the bottom. So you want to build 2 up, like this. And then eventually you'll be, okay, so I got 2 of these, so now I'm going to want to look for my white corner, my white, orange, and green corner, which is right here. So I'm going to want to assemble it. And then also look for my green and orange edge, if I can find it. Is it somewhere? Where's my green and orange edge? Oh, there it is. Okay. So, no, this is my corner. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. Where's the edge? No. Is this it? Okay, this is it. Sorry, I took a little bit of time to look for it. Then you want to just put it in, so then you got one square down, then you can do it with the blue. It's totally down there. So then, okay, I found this part. Oh, yeah, okay, here it is. So I'll just assemble this real quick. Then I want to put the corner in. Where's the corner? Can't find the corner, no! Okay, oh, here's the corner. So then you want to put the corner in like this, and then same with the edge. I just put it, okay, here it is. And put the edge in too. There you go. And then now, you want to take a Vaseline, put some on my finger. It might get a little messy, and you want to just put that all inside of the cord. And you want to put it all the way around the cord, like I'm doing right now. So you should just put it everywhere around the cord. Or you can, after this step, that's what you want to do. Well, you want to put a lot of Vaseline if you want this thing to turn good, because this thing is kind of, you know, it's overpriced, but it's not very good. So as you can see, I'm just putting Vaseline inside of this. You can get some real lubrication, like from the cubicle or whatever. Speed Cube Shop. I prefer Speed Cube Shop, but most people prefer Cubicle, I'm assuming. So there you go, now it's lubricated, so it turns really well. Just wipe off your hands, at it. Then it will get a little greasy here and there. And then you want to put in your, it doesn't matter if it gets messy because you can just clean it off after. So then there we go, put that in, put the corner in. Where's my edge? Here it is. Put the edge in. You can see my corner. There's the corner. And then the edge. And then when you get F2 all done, or whatever you do, the first 2 layers, you want to put more Vaseline and put it on the edge of the pieces if you want. It's going to get a little messy, but it's going to be all worth it. So then it should look something like this. And then you want to plop in your first edge. There you go, so put in your edge. And put your corner. Put that here. It's getting really messy right now, but that doesn't matter because I can just clean the cube off. And make sure you put Vaseline on these cubes so that it's slippery like this, you can see. I'll put this edge on. There we go, I got the edge on. And the other edge on. And we're getting close to done like right now. When you're putting it on.
okay guys, so I'm back and I got that edge finally in. So now I'm going to try and put this last edge inside. If I can get it this time, we'll see. Can't seem to be getting this edge. There we go, guys. Okay, so as you can hear, very smooth. So it's very smooth. It's very, slippery right now. So you're just gonna want to every once in a while after doing it, you're gonna want to clean it off. Same with your hands, unless it'll just non-stop just be getting all dirty, which is kind of annoying. to have to deal with every single time. But it will eventually. So it turns really good. I wonder if the corner cutting's any better. It actually seems like it goes line to line on this side. I wonder if it goes farther. No, it just locks up. So it goes line to line now, which is actually pretty good for a Rubik's brand right here. It almost goes 45. 45 would be right here, but it doesn't go 45. It goes about 40, which is pretty good. Reverse corner cutting isn't that good actually. It's like 1/3 of a piece, you could say. 1/4. It doesn't really go, but now it's really smooth and really, you know, like fast. Just gotta clean this off again. So what you want to do is you're just gonna want to keep turning it to get all the lubrication, you know, and actually like inside of the cube. But this feels like a cube I would use more often than you know, than it originally was. It turns much better now. It used to be a little rough when you would turn it, but now it's just like smooth. Like what? It's like really good now. So I'm just gonna keep scrambling that. Okay, so now we're gonna do our first solve on it. Just look, inspection. Okay, go.
So I've never actually solved a Rubik's Cube on camera, I don't think so. I'm not very fast. I do F12, just, you know, it's kind of slow. I have to, insert it into the wrong slot. Whatever. So I'm just solving. I'm sorry guys, I'm really slow at this. One time I got a lucky scramble, and I got a 17-second solve. But other than that, I'm not very good at solving. I don't really use a beginner's method, like you would think I would use. I use a more advanced method than most people, so there we go.
Checkers board, why not? Because the tiles. The tiles actually have nice shades too. So that's all we have for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked it. Comment down below what you would like me to do next. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Peace.
Fire when the strobe hits you.
That's it, Brian?